topic of this lecture is one-dimensional heat conduction equation in spherical coordinates. One-dimensional heat conduction equation in spherical coordinates. Now consider a sphere. Consider a sphere of radius r. This is the sphere of radius capital R, and this is solid sphere density rho, thermal conductivity equal to K, and radius R, specific heat of material equal to C, density rho, and heat generation in sphere, this is equal to Qg watt per meter cube. Now consider an element, of radius r and the thickness of element, this is equal to dr. Now this is the element of radius r and its thickness of this element, this is dr. This is r and thickness dr. Now heat transfer, this element is this is spherical shell. This is spherical shell of radius r and thickness dr. Now heat conduction rate at radius r, heat conduction at radius r, this is equal to qr, and qr equal to minus k, the area through which heat transfer, which is equal to 4 pi r square del t by del r in radial direction, and heat conduction at radius r plus dr, this is equal to qr equal to mathematically qr plus del by del R QR and at distance dr. This is the heat conduction at radius R. Now heat generated inside the element, heat generation rate, heat generation rate Qg equal to Qg into 4 pi R square into dr. This is the volume of element. This is the volume of element. Now applying heat balance equation for the element, the heat transfer at radius R, heat transfer at radius R plus heat generated inside the element, means this is heat in minus heat out or heat transfer rate at R plus dr, means heat in, heat out, the difference of heat in and heat out, which is heat storage rate, this is heat storage rate. Now QR plus Qg minus QR plus dr, which is equal to QR minus rate of change of QR for distance dr equal to rate of change of our heat storage now cancel out QR and QR. Now Qg equal to Qg into volume of element 4 pi R square multiplied by dr, this is the volume of element, minus del by del R, and QR heat transfer rate at radius R is minus K into area 4 pi R square into del T by del R plus equal to rate of change of storage, which is equal to density into volume of element 4 pi R square into dr, this is the mass of element. What is heat storage? ms delta T, then ms delta T by del T means rho into 4 pi R square into dr into specific heat, rate of change of temperature. This is the heat storage rate. Now 4 pi and 4 pi cancel out, then Qg into R square into dr minus minus plus del by del r k into R square del t by del r into dr equal to rho into r square into dr delta t by del t. Now cancel out dr, dr and dr, and dividing by k constant, assuming k constant, then dividing by k, then Qg by k into r square plus del by del r into r square del t by del r equal to rho into, this is C, rho c by k into r square del t by del t, rate of change of temperature with respect to time. Now this equation can be written as del by del r square del t by del r plus Qg by k into r square equal to 1 upon alpha into r square del t by del t r dividing by r square then 1 upon r square del by del r square del t by del r plus Qg by k equal to 1 upon alpha del t by del t. So this is one dimensional heat conduction equation in spherical coordinates. This is one dimensional heat conduction So this is one dimensional heat conduction equation in spherical coordinates. So one directional or radial directional heat conduction equation in spherical coordinates for steady state, means del T by del T equal to 0 for steady state, then T is only the function of R. Then for steady state 1 upon R square del by del R square del T by del R plus Qg by K equal to 0. This is one dimensional steady state heat equation in spherical coordinates, steady state with heat generation. Now the solution of above equation. Now above equation can be written as del by del R square del T by del R plus Qg R square by K equal to 0. T is in this equation, T is the function of R only. Then this equation can be written as del becomes d R square dt by dr plus Qg R square by K equal to 0. Now integrating integration above equation, we get R square dt by dr plus Qg R square means R cube upon 3K equal to C1. This is equation 1. Dividing by R square dividing by R square dt by dr plus Qg R upon 3K equal to C1 upon R square. Again integration, we get T plus Qg R square upon 6K equal to minus C1 upon R plus C2. This is the temperature versus R, temperature distribution, equation 2. Now this is equation 1. Now for solid cylinder, solid sphere, for solid sphere steady state, under steady state condition, for solid under steady state condition at radius r equal to 0, r it is at center. So at radius r equal to 0, r at the center, T it is maximum temperature. At maximum temperature at r equal to 0, if you put r equal to 0, you will get second term 0. It becomes infinite. It is only possible when at center the T temperature it becomes maximum. It is only possible when C1 equal to 0, means the equation temperature T plus Qg R square upon 6K equal to C2. If the maximum temperature, the surface temperature given, if given surface temperature of sphere, means at r equal to capital R, T equal to Ts, then Ts plus Qg R square upon 6K equal to C2. Then temperature profile T plus Qg R square upon 6K equal to Ts plus Qg R square upon 6K R, T at radius R, this is equal to Ts plus Qg upon 6K capital R square minus R square. This is the temperature profile, R temperature versus R. On vertical axis this is T, and on horizontal radius R. At radius R, capital R, this is Ts, and at R equal to 0, it is T maximum. Then temperature versus R, the graph between T versus R, this is the equation of this curve parabolic, and maximum temperature T maximum, this is at radius r equal to 0, then Qg T maximum equal to Ts plus Qg r square upon 6K. R maximum and surface temperature difference, T maximum minus surface temperature, this is equal to Qg r square upon 6K. So this equation for maximum temperature, this is 4, this equation is 4, given thermal conductivity of sphere, second given heat generation rate per unit volume, third the radius of sphere, and fourth surface temperature Ts. If given K, Qg, R and Ts, then you will get maximum temperature which is at center of sphere, and you have to remember this formula. This is important. Okay.